Good morning, guys. New day, new problem. Trying to replace the air tank. I got the same one, but not the same bracket. So yeah, under the step for the Kenworth t660. You guys can see it good. Let's see. Here it is. I had the leak in the front, so I put JB weld just to run it for a couple days till I find one, because the dealer don't have it. One dealer had it. They're requesting $1,800, $1,800 for this thing. So I went to the junkyard and I got one, the same thing. You can see the fittings, same fittings here exactly, but the bracket is different. So I'm just gonna use U-bolt. I got two. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So you guys see, same fitting, just the bracket, original one. Come welding to it. So I'm just gonna use U-bolt and put it back and see how it goes. We're done. Yeah, take the old one. This is the U-bolt. It got the same holes for the old one. I didn't make any holes. And look at this. Same thing. U-bolt. Two U-bolt. And you don't need that thing there. The bracket. See the bracket here? Is welded to here. You know how much is that at the dealer? $1,800, $1,800 for this. I went to the junkyard and I got that one. It's the same thing, but does not have. It's for a different Kenworth. Cost me $128 and work 1 hour. You know what? Imagine $1,800 plus tax. That's almost $2,000. Plus 2 hours labor they're gonna charge me was $2,200, $2,300. So I just saved my ass. Sorry, saved myself $2,000 and more. Hope this will help you guys. This is a T660. All right, see you guys.